I'm showing you two cells here of a 6-cell setup just because it's easier for the shot. I've taken the covers off so the cells are exposed. The cells are composed of two tubes, one inside the other. The construction is all stainless steel, so there's no copper or any other metals which will be under the level of the electrolyte. The tubes are spaced by plastic ties. We have a pulse width modulator which controls the current and the duty cycle and the frequency. And we have 2 meters, current meter, voltmeter. Each of the cells is connected in series, so the gases can pass from cell to cell and will pass out from the final cell across into the bubbler, which you'll see later on. So that's the setup. Here's the setup where I have put the covers back on. We're using NaOH electrolyte, caustic soda with water. We're drawing a current of just under 20 amps, 19.5, and we have a voltage across the cells of about 2.32 volts across each of 3 cells. We'll have a look at the next stage, which is the bubbler stage. Here we can see the final cell of the 3 cells that we've currently connected in series, connected to the bubbler. So the output of each of the cells is passing through the tops, out through this tube, into the bubbler, out of the bubbler, into the first flashback arrestor, which is made from aquarium stone, fitted inside a brass plumbing fitting, out of the first flashback arrestor into the second flashback arrestor, which is offset to 90 degrees, and then I'm feeding that just into a bucket of water for the moment. The next stage we'll demonstrate the flashback arrestor. Now we'll demonstrate the flashback arrestor. I can quench the flame by turning the valve here, which will stop the output. As soon as I do that, you should see the flash travel back up from the flame to the first flashback arrestor, and it shouldn't pass beyond that. Okay, we'll do that again, just to demonstrate it. I've lit the flame again. I'm going to quench it. You can see that the flash didn't get past the first flashback arrestor. We'll just do it a third time. You can see the flashback arrestor, which is made of aquarium stone, stops it dead. The flashback arrestor is built inside a standard plumbing, 3/4 inch plumbing fitting. It's basically just a little pipe packed with the aquarium stone. To show you the flame that we can get out of this. Okay, we have the flame. The flame here, I can see it is about 4 or 5 inches long, and just once more we'll quench that. Okay, we'll now do a fill test. I have a 1.25 litre bottle which is full of water, and as you can see the output of the gas is already coming under the water. So we'll start the fill test now. As you can see, the gas is filling the bottle. So the number of seconds it takes to fill the 1.25 litres will work out 2 litres per minute. Just about a quarter to a third done now. What I've done here on the filler, as you can probably see, I don't know if you can see it in the video, is I put a MIG tip in the end of a rubber tube, and it just gives me a handy little burner which you can use for a lot of little things like welding, cutting metal, and so on. So we just keep filling. We're 3/4. We'll just wait until we see the gas come out of the bottom of the bottle. Okay.